Hi, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Ada.
And today we will show you what we use to film our videos.
Yeah.
And let's start.
Yeah.
So for filming,
you will need a camera or a phone.
yeah, any phone
Yeah.
can, yeah.
You need some lights.
Optional. This is
Yeah.
optional. Just
Yeah,
if
it's
you want.
better if you
Yeah.
have lights.
Yeah, you'll be.
You also need a microphone.
You don't need to, but it will
Help
hear.
you.
It'll help you. It will hear
Yeah.
well better.
You need
Tripod.
tripod.
Anyway, you can film just with your phone or camera and move around.
Yeah, but it's better if you have a professional camera. We have one.
yeah,
You also need a computer.
we use a laptop.
Yeah. And a editing software.
Yeah, it's
We
software.
we recommend you with Video.
Yeah,
It's very easy to use and
yeah. Like you need a background first. Like this is a real library.
yeah, you need a background.
Yeah.
And it depends what you are doing. If you're doing cooking, for example, you need a table or something like that.
Yeah, but if you are camping and teaching people how to camp, then you won't need a tripod probably because you'll move around, or you won't need to take a professional camera with you, a heavy camera with you just
Yeah.
to film a video that you need to
You just
keep
take
the
a
camera.
little camera and
or a phone.
yeah, it's better camera because
Yeah. And if you're showing people in your city, you won't move a tripod with you. And you also, if you're doing something on the computer, playing a video game or
Yeah.
doing 3D modeling, I guess,
you need
You'll-
a filming software.
a recording software.
Yeah, we use Loom.
I use OBS Studio.
I think that's it.
Yeah, and if you want to see more videos exist, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with your friends.
Yeah, and don't forget, you can always
Always learn
with
from
our school. Bye.
Bye!